Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Metal Sonic versus normal Sonic. So Sonic the Hedgehog versus Metal Sonic. It's going to be a standoff shot. So Sonic over here, Metal Sonic on this side. But that's pretty much it. It's going to be very, very simple for beginners. And we're going to go through it step by step. So let's get started. I'm going to go over here for Sonic and draw the lower part of his brow. I'm going to pull up, kind of along the side of his head, pulling up here. Down over here. Up and down. For his eye. Curve underneath. On the front of the nose there. Go to the back. It's gonna be the back of the bottom of the mouth right here. Curve underneath. Everything is like simple shapes, right? Everything looks like a bean or something like that. Think of simple shapes. Gonna go to the front. Looks like a bean in the front, or like a cork. Circle right here for Sonic's eye. You can maybe lengthen it up here to make it merge with the front there. Circle here. And I'm going to fill the bottom in. Smile. Line here. Up for the ear. Down, it's a triangle. Line over here. Inside. Continuing that line from the front of the brow into the back, and we're gonna imagine it coming out the other side there. Top of a spike, down. Over here, gonna mid-air here, we're gonna find another area. In, down. Down over here. Connect it to the bottom of his head. Gonna go over here, around part of his stomach. Curve over here for the top of the arm. Down into kind of like the elbow. Let's find spike on his back here. In. And another one over here, down. We're going to vignette it about there. Curve line here for the stomach. There's a color differentiation there. Start with Metal Sonic when I'm kind of close enough. So we're going to throw a curved line for the front. It's going to be kind of flat in a way. Line about here. I'm going to try to level it out with his snout in a way. Down over here. Up. Curve down. So that's the bottom part of his mouth. Circle. And we're going to throw a gear shape across. Go to the front. Out. In. There, go down here, up, curve down for Robosonic's eye. Go over here on this side, up, down for his ear, up, down over here for the inside of that ear. I'm going to continue this line and it's going to go straight back, okay? Pull over here, and I'm going to find it on the other end. Back, down, in, connect it to the bottom there. Robosonic's a little bigger. Let's find the shoulder pad, curve down like a C shape, pulling back. Down, down. Curve right here, up, down. Back here at the bottom over here, we're going to pull back, down, in. Because he has this like jetpack in the back of his... I'm going to draw a line here. He has a jetpack in the back, so... square here, another square. You can draw one more square. For the front, pull in, down, curve underneath, line, down here, down, down. And honestly, we're just going to vignette it there. I was going to draw the hand, but I just realized we're vignetting this, so you're really not going to see that. Because I did that, I'm going to draw a little bit more of Sonic's body. Let's draw the roundness of his glove over here. But that's kind of it. That's where it should end. So let's go over here into the face that we're going to focus here. Curve. Curve. And we're going to fill in the inside of his eye, and then we're going to fill in everything outside of his iris. Over here. Maybe a line here along the edges to kind of make him look more metal, right? He is Metal Sonic. Line here, line here, line here. There you go. That's Sonic versus Metal Sonic. All right. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.